Imagine waking up to new cabinet orders already quoted and only clicks away from entering your production workflow, even before your day begins. That's the power of Cabinetry.Online and Jobman working together. A seamless integration that streamlines your process from first quote to final delivery so you can get on with growing your business, not managing paperwork. If you're a cabinet manufacturer, you know the pain of manual quoting, double handling, and missed opportunities. Now, your clients can order custom cabinetry from your website, down to the millimeter, any time of day. Cabinetry.Online captures all the details, generates an instant accurate quote, slashing your detailing time by up to 80%, and now passes the order straight into Jobman. No more double entry, no more needless errors. Every new client, every project, every update automatically synced. As soon as an order is approved, Jobman is ready for action. You can generate invoices, instantly break down each job into actionable tasks and assign team members, tracking your progress and managing your workflow. You get full visibility and control with every detail right where you need it. Prioritize jobs, align production with your machining capacity, and deliver faster without the headaches. With Cabinetry.Online and Jobman working together, you'll save hours on administration, reduce costly errors, and keep your team focused on what matters, delivering quality cabinetry on time, every time. Are you ready to scale your manufacturing business and leave double entry behind? Reach out today to learn more, get your questions answered, or discover how you can unlock the next level of efficiency and growth. Experience the Cabinetry.Online and Jobman integration, where your next order could come in while you sleep, and your next milestone is just a click away.